In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Wrike. If you have tasks that need to be repeated on a regular schedule, setting them up as recurring tasks in Wrike is an efficient way to keep your projects organized and on track. Let's dive right into it. First, go ahead and log into your Wrike account. Once you've reached the login page, you'll see a variety of options for signing in. In this case, we'll click on the Google option. It's a convenient choice if you're already logged into your Google account, saving you the hassle of remembering another set of credentials. After clicking Google, simply select your account from the list that appears, and you'll be logged into Wrike in no time. Now that you're in the main workspace, navigate to the task you'd like to set as recurring. Take a moment to scan your tasks. Depending on your layout, they might be organized by project or due date. When you found the task, click on it to open the detailed view. This is where you can see all the specifications related to the task, such as descriptions, assignees, and due dates. In the upper right corner of this task view, look for the three dots, also known as the options menu. Clicking on this will expand a list of additional actions you can take on this task. From this menu, select Make Recurrent. This option is crucial as it officially converts your one-time task into one that can recur at regular intervals. After you've selected Make Recurrent, you'll be prompted to set the recurrence details. Here, specify the date and time when you want the task to first appear, then decide how often the task should recur. This could be every day, week, month, or even a custom schedule based on your specific needs. Setting these preferences accurately is important as they control when your task will reappear on your task list. Once you've meticulously filled in the recurrence details, look for the Save button. It's generally located towards the bottom of the recurrence settings window. Clicking Save will ensure that all the details you've entered are locked in, and your recurring task is now scheduled. Be sure to double check everything to make sure that your task is set to repeat exactly the way you want it, leaving no room for surprises. And that's it, you now have a recurring task set up in Wrike, ready to remind you exactly when necessary, helping you streamline your workflow efficiently. Take a few moments to explore additional settings Wrike might offer for task management and see how you can further optimize your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.